Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about basic details of an electrician and a little maintenance of an electrical which has been done in a house. So we are discussing about the topic how to replace a lighting switch. This switch is commonly used in our house, and this switch has been replaced by everyone. In this switch, we have a clearly dead our circuit. Then any unprofessional or professional person can be replace it. The most of these things is safely remove these switches and replace it. If a light switch fails to function, it should be replaced. Most modern switches have a screw terminal on each side and may also have a hole in the backside to accept the end of the wire. Although plug-in connection may be more convenient, they are less reliable and then hope with screw terminals. So don't use them. You can easily loosen the screw on the side of a device with a standard screwdriver, tuning a control clockwise, but you may be find getting a wires out and the back of the device tricky. To remove these wires, insert a blade of a small screwdriver into the slots under a hole in which a wire is inserted and push in as plug wire loose. Push the blade of a screwdriver into the slots. Release the grip on a insert wire where a description of a wires in where they go. The white neutral wire connected to the silver screw or the place it the back wire holes on the same side of a device as a silver screw. The back hot wires goes to the brass screw or into the hole in the back of the device on the same side as a brass screw. This wire is sometimes red, the green or a bad copper grounded wire if the device has a one attached to the green screw terminal on each of the electrical box. If the switch has on or off embossed on its body and it's the only switch that controls the light of a reciprocal or repeatable it in a single pole switches. To replace this kind of a switch follows these steps. Means in this switch you have a troubleshoot on it and what where is a fault. First clearly the fault, and then if you find this switch has been a faulty, then follows these below, or I will explain the step by step how to replace the lighting switch. Turn off the power to the switch at the main circuit breaker or a fuse. Unscrew. Step 2 is unscrew and remove the switch plates. Then use a voltage tester to make sure this circuit is dead. Means confirm the supply. If the supply is available or not available, then you start the work. And third one point is unscrew the switch from an electrical box and pull it out. The wire is still attached. Two or three wires will be attached to the switch. An incoming hot wire, which is a black return wire which carries the load to the fixture and may be black or red or any other color except green, and sometime grounding wire which is a green or a bar of a copper. These may be other wires to the box, but you may only dealing with someone connected to the directly to the switch. You may find a white wire that has been a black tape on connected to the switch. This tape indicated that the white wire is being used as a black or a colored wire in a switch legs. So it's a neutral. Means a black wire which has been connected on a switch as per standard of an electrical, that one is a neutral. Compare your new switch with the one of your replaced to find the corresponding location of the electrical screw contactors. Means that if a board have already installed the same model switches, then it will be replaced. Because the power is off, you can match up in the connector then easy way instead of disconnecting all the wires at once and possible to getting confused, unscrew and connected one wire at a time. Attach the first wire. Point 5. Attach the first wire. You unscrew in the same colored screw on a new switch as it was on a old. Do the same within a second. To connect a wire terminal strips off about 1/2 inch of insulation. Means a little bit insulation has been removed on it, which will be goes under a connected screw. Use the wire steeper and twist it into the clockwise loop within the long nose pliers. The loop must be ramped at least 2/3, but no 1/3 of a many around the terminal screw hooks wires in clockwise around the screw, so we can tighten the screw within the screwdriver. The clockwise force of a tightening screw may be loop frame tighter around the screw. Point 6 is gently push the new wired switch back into the electrical box and screw it at a place. Screw on the switch plate and turn on the power. Means in this video I have clearly explained about how to troubleshoot of any switch and how to clearly declare the faulty of a switch. First confirm if the switch has been faulty or not, and then you will be replaced with a new one. If any fault has been occurred in the wiring, you will be not remove this switch. Means the switch is already clear and that why you have to change. So first the troubleshoot and clearly explain the switch has been faulty or not, and then start the other work and unscrew and like this as I have already explained in this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. Thank you.